Welcome back. In the previous video, we had learned about how to create buttons in Tkinter, and today we learn how to assign functions or how to do operations with a button in Tkinter. So let me run our previous file. So here you can see we had created the button. I had showed you the foreground, background, active foreground, etc. All that. Now you guys are wondering how did I make the background blue? Well, that's a new property which I'm going to introduce today, that is called root.config. So basically, whatever is your main window or the main TK variable name, you just have to write .config and you can type the background color here. So that's how you can define the background color. So now let us assign some functions to our buttons. So now what if, for example, you want to make that click me button print out something. So for that you have to make a function that will become define. You have to make a function always by saying define. It's a keyword, define click me button. You can give any name here. You can make a bracket, that's a syntax. Okay, then you have to put a column to define a function. This is like a variable, you can put any name here. Then you are gonna say print this button has been clicked, right? Okay, now when you have to run functions in Python, you just put the function name and you call it like this. So basically it will print out the statement, but that's not what we want. We don't want it to automatically run it, right? We want it to run when the button is pressed. So to do that, you have to come into the button properties here. Okay, here you see that we have defined the button. In the previous video, you have to come here. Then anywhere before the arguments, you can just type your command equals to click me button. So here you have to give the command equals to click me button. Now when you just run it, save it and then run it. Now when I press this, it will show this button has been clicked. So basically we have defined a function that whenever this button is pressed, you have to print the statement out. So here you can see whenever I press it, it's showing this button has been. Now you can see this. So that's how you define functions and assign it to a button. Now you can make it to anything. For example, I say you have to print me the value of 5 plus 5. So I'll say print me 5 plus 5. Okay, I'm gonna save it, run it. Now when you see, when I say click me, it prints me the value of 10. Basically because here you can see the output has come as 10. So this is how you can do it. So whenever you have to define a function in Python, you have to write the function, like define that function name, parenthesis and the colon. Then here you can give any argument or any function or anything that you want to do. You can make an if else statement, while loop, you can define sub functions, all the different variables, anything. Most of the things are possible to do within a function in Python. So it is very powerful and you can use it to your cause. And you can assign it to the button. You just have to type command equal to the function name. And that's it, and that's so simple to assign functions to buttons in Python. Also guys, I'm using the IDE Sublime Text. So this is like a free software. It is very small, like around 50 MB just of installation and all, and you can download it and use it for coding all your programming languages, as this is very beginner friendly and easy to use. Also you get color coding here, so it is good for you. So you can take this and I'll leave the link in the description. So guys, that wraps up our video on assigning functions with buttons, and if you want to see more of such videos, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.